Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can update your window with just restarting it. This method is so useful and secure. To acquire this method, make sure your computer has internet. It's simple, so simply start by opening Settings. Then after having it opened, simply go on Update and Security. After having it opened, simply make sure you are on Windows Update. Then as you can see here, you can check for your Windows Update, and beneath you can see this option that has your Windows auto updating every 7 days, so simply go on Advanced option. So as you can see here is all your updating options. So here you can see this button that restarts your computer as soon as possibly when your computer has restarted, and it will require you for updating your computer, and to do this make sure you have internet and your computer turned on, so simply click on turning this button on. And from now on your computer will update itself once your computer has been restarted. So for now, if you restart your computer, it will update itself. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.